right, what's going on, traders? Welcome to another wild trading session. Today is Thursday, September 7th. Man, this week is flying by, and we got some really nice trading setups on this master indicator. In fact, let me just show you both of them. All right, this is the long from today. This printed at about 9:30 in the morning. I was very fortunate to catch this one, but there was also a really nice short setup that showed up on the master indicator in the pre-market, guys. And if you were up early enough, man, did you bag a nice 800 tick plunge in the market today. All right, guys and gals, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the Nasdaq. You guys know this is my favorite symbol, and quite honestly, it should be your favorite symbol as well. Okay, I don't care what you trade, futures, Forex, stocks, and options. Yes, you can trade the Nasdaq on any asset class. And if you're not at least looking or charting the Nasdaq every day, then shame on you, man, because boy, are you missing some very profitable opportunities. Okay, I think I did a video literally yesterday where I talked about volatility and why volatility is so important to professional traders, especially if you want to become and remain profitable. Then bro, you gotta focus on volatile markets, because you're just wasting your time and spinning your wheels if you focus on quiet markets like, you know, the S&P or natural gas or some of these other goofy symbols, right? It is my humble opinion that if you want to make money and you want to be profitable, you got to trade volatility. And the symbol that is at the top of the volatile list is the Nasdaq. All right, guys and gals. And what you're seeing overlaid on top of today's live price action chart is our master indicator. This is the volume profile color band, and this indicator has one job and only one job every day, and that is to tell us what direction the market is trending in. Okay, because honestly, man, that's 90% of your success, right? You got to figure out the direction, and you got to get the direction right. And what I love about this indicator is it's very binary, right? It's very objective. There's no room for interpretation. When it's green, time to look for longs. When it's red, like it turned here today, it's time to look for shorts. I mean, that's it. You understand? But those of you guys that have been with me for a long time, you know that's not where we stop, right? What we also look for after a color change is we want to see the market retrace, right? We want to see the market go in the opposite direction for a couple of bars, and then, yup, you guessed it, give us one of these. Okay, a matching color reversal bar that prints directly on top of the color band. All right, it's got to print on top of the master indicator, and it's got to be a little bit above the indicator band, right? That's how you know that the retracement is deep enough. So yeah, man, this was the perfect short setup. If you were up early today, which unfortunately I was not, all right, I only caught the long that showed up a little bit later in the session, but man, I am jealous of all you guys and gals that caught this short, man. This was a beautiful 800 ticks before the market even opened, right? Which was down here. Like, you were up 800 ticks. What a start to the day, right? But for the rest of us, man, for the rest of us peons, there was a really nice deep retracement long signal that showed up. You can see the timestamp here. This showed up around 9:30 a.m. And I actually really like this one a little better because, I mean, look at how deep this retracement is, right? Like, this thing basically just plunged almost 80 handles straight down, and then, yep, you guessed it, gave us one of these, a green bar color match. So green bar against green volume profile band, right? And this bar was significantly underneath the band. This is exactly the deep retracement that I love to see, man. You understand? Like, these are the winning tickets, folks. In fact, I can see another one right here. Look at this deep retracement. Jesus Christ, I should have taken that one too. Really hope some of you guys caught this second deep retracement later on in the session. But for me, you know, this was my only trade of the day, and you know, I get a lot of questions and comments on my specific entry criteria. So here it is, okay? These grid lines represent risk reward, which I'm a huge fan of. All right. I firmly believe that if you want to become consistently profitable, then you have to have a mathematical approach. And when I say risk reward, I just simply mean you have to be able to risk X number of ticks and then hopefully profit twice that or 3 times that or 5 times that or whatever you feel that your market gives you. All right. But at the very least, man, what I like to do is I like to go for 1-to-1 on the first half of my position. You understand? So like, can you see here this piece here where I'm circling with my mouse, this spacing between this line and this line? Okay, this represents the risk on the trade. And so all I need for this market to go to is it has to hit the second line. Once it touches this line here, guys and gals, I've locked in profits and I can't lose. You understand? And I'm hoping that this market keeps going, hits the second target. This is 2-to-1 risk reward. And then this third line here is 3-to-1 risk reward. I mean, dude, I'm telling you, these retracements are almost like slingshots. You know what I'm saying? It's like the market comes back, pulls back, pulls back, pulls back like a rubber band, and then kaboom, it just explodes out of the gate, right? I mean, dude, this was an easy 400 ticks using nothing more than risk reward. All right, guys and gals. So yeah, man, the takeaway that you should glean from watching this video is you cannot beat the power of a trend trading system. I know a lot of people like to try and debunk a trend trading system or a trend trading strategy. You'll just never be able to do it because I have found, and this is my humble opinion, I have found that a trend trading approach, which is different than scalping, it's different than trying to call tops and bottoms, all right? A trend trading approach is really the only thing that stays consistent. You know what I mean? And especially with this volume indicator color band, the way that we've programmed this thing, I mean, many times it is just spot on. All right? Especially when you are able to identify these really, really deep, strong retracements, then boy, I'm telling you, trading is going to become an absolute pleasure when you master this particular system. And as a lot of you guys and gals know, I try to limit my time to dealing with only serious traders, all right? People that actually want to work with me and learn a consistent, rule-based mechanical system. And if that's you, boy, do I have a system that's going to change your trading forever. So congrats to everybody that caught this trade. It was a good one, and double congratulations to everyone that caught this short in the pre-market. Jesus, this was an incredible 800 tick move. I warned you that the month of September was going to be epic, and I cannot wait to see what this market's going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.